So today we're going to be looking at the iPay aspect of the iBadge. We can access the iPay from the main menu. The idea of iPay is that you're able to use the iBadge to pay money between badges or between a badge and a reseller. So today what we're going to look at first of all is an iPay setup. Then we're looking at topping up the account and then looking at the iPay transaction history. All of this can be done through the iBadge, which we'll see in action at the end of this video. So with iPay setup, we first of all can set up the badge for receiving money or sending money, or both of them. And the first thing we do is to set it up for receiving money. So we can set the maximum amount of money that can be sent from the badge. We've set it quite low, so the maximum would be £30, $30. And we can switch that on and off on the badge, so it will display in the corner either a red or a green button saying that receive pay is on or off. We're going to switch that on. Then we can, as far as receiving is concerned, set up an image to be displayed, and this is really not only for the badge holder, but also if a shop wanted to use a badge to receive money as well. In this case, we've chosen the Macy's as a retailer, and we can review that badge. As you can see in the corner, we've now got iPay to receive on, and then we can send that to the badge. So having done that, we can now set up the sending of money, and we do that in a very similar way. So again, we set up the maximum amount of money that we could send at any time, and then we set the send icon to on the badge. This is really important because it's the symbols that will be allowing the money to be transferred or not. We set that to on, and again we can then review the badge and send it to the badge so that it becomes active. If we return to the main menu, we can then look at topping up our account. So to start topping up our account, again we just touch the iPay top up. We add funds to the account, put in $15. We can choose from where to put that in, so we can choose from payment cards or from PayPal. We put it in from a specific Visa card. We can choose that and then add those to the account, and as you can see, that's now been done. So from there we can start to look at the iPay transaction history to see what has happened in that day. So obviously the badge is providing this data backwards and forwards to the phone to allow you to monitor what has actually been sent and what has not been sent or received. And that is the iPay setup. Now let's have a look at the badge in action, see how it works.
So here we have the badge with, it's displaying PS4, but as you can see there are two green dots in either corner, and these are specifically for the payment. So it's set to receive payment and to send payment. The one that we have up on here is showing how much we need to pay, and again it's set for sending payment and receiving payment. What we can do is to take the badge that we've got here and then send that payment through, and as you can see it will say thank you for your payment. So that is at a distance of about 30 centimeters, but clearly it will work up to 15 meters away and in one direction as well. So just to try it again. You're basically sending a payment over infrared or laser.